Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the world of Widgetable, where personalizing your phone meets earning cool rewards. Many users love the app for its fun widgets, but did you know you can also accumulate in-app currency simply by engaging with it? These earnings aren't just for show, they help you unlock premium features and really personalize your device even further. It's a neat way to make your app experience even more rewarding. One of the easiest methods to earn in Widgetable is by simply checking in every single day. Consistency truly pays off here. Plus, the app offers various short, engaging daily tasks, like completing minigames or quick interactions, which also contribute to your coin balance. These little activities are quick and effortless, making it simple to build up your earnings over time. Connecting with friends in Widgetable can be a fantastic way to earn. Engaging in shared activities or even just having friends on the app can contribute to your rewards. For a big boost, consider inviting new users to join Widgetable through your unique referral link. Sharing the app with others not only expands your network, but also generously rewards you for helping the community grow. Don't forget to keep an eye on Widgetable's special, limited-time events. These often appear seasonally or during holidays, offering unique challenges and activities. Participating in them is a fantastic way to earn a large number of bonus coins quickly. They provide an exciting opportunity to boost your earnings significantly, so make sure you check the app regularly for these temporary chances. So, what can you do with all these hard-earned coins? You can use them to unlock premium widgets, special themes, or other exclusive customization options within the app. To really maximize your earnings, try to combine daily check-ins and tasks with participation in special events. Staying consistent and actively engaging with the app are truly the best ways to continuously grow your Widgetable rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.